Every religion has love, but love has no religion. God is so much bigger than our human understanding, so much bigger than the categories we try to box it into. God is not a Christian. In ancient texts like the Bhagavad Gita and the Tao, there are beautiful teachings about the long goal of life, the long vision, the long view. These writings give me hope. It's like this. Over time, everything changes. The hard becomes soft. The tallest tower is tumbled by the wind. Grass grows into every crack. Rock is dissolved by the water. The long view. Violence and separation may seem to win in the short run, but I will tell you this. In the long run, love wins every time. This is my hope. This is where my hope stems from.